Every driver who passes the DMV permit test knows their road signs. Learn these 50 key signs and you'll be way ahead. Let's begin. This traffic sign is A. Stop sign. B. Stop. Cree. Good catch. It is the stop sign. This road sign is A. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. B. Railroad crossing ahead. Well spotted. It is the railroad crossing ahead sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Yield sign. B. Yield sign ahead. Correct. It is the yield sign. This traffic sign is A. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. B. Pedestrians crossing. Awesome. It is the pedestrians crossing sign. What is this road sign? A. Do not enter. B. No straight through. Perfect. It is the do not enter sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Yield sign ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. Good call. It is the yield sign ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic. Well spotted. It is the two-way traffic sign. Guess this road sign. A. No right turn. B. No right turn on red. Correct. It is the no right turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Reindeer crossing. B. Deer crossing. Excellent. It is the deer crossing sign. This road sign is A. Standard traffic light. B. Traffic light ahead. Nice one. It is the traffic light ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Parking area. B. Park and ride. Good catch. It is the parking area sign. Guess this road sign. A. School crosswalk ahead. B. School zone. Correct. It is the school zone sign. This traffic sign is A. No left turn. B. No left turn on red. Awesome. It is the no left turn sign. What is this road sign? A. Yield sign ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. Nice work. It is the stop sign ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Narrow bridge. B. Narrow underpass. Excellent. It is the narrow bridge sign. Guess this road sign. A. Steep grade hill. B. Slow-moving vehicles. Correct. It is the steep-grade hill sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Winding road. B. Slippery when wet ahead. Good call. It is the slippery when wet ahead sign. This road sign is A. Road narrows. B. Single lane transition. Perfect. It is the road narrows sign. This traffic sign is A. No U-turn or left turn. B. No U-turn. Well spotted. It is the no U-turn sign. Guess this road sign. A. Workers ahead. B. Flagger ahead. Excellent. It is the workers ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No cycling. B. No bicycles. Correct. It is the no bicycles sign. What is this road sign? A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. Good observation. It is the divided highway begins sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of road. B. No straight through. Perfect. It is the no straight through sign. Guess this road sign. A. Crosswinds sign. B. Dangerous crosswinds. Nice work. It is the crosswinds sign. This traffic sign is A. End of pedestrian zone. B. No pedestrians crossing. Correct. It is the no pedestrians crossing sign. What is this road sign? A. Weight limit. B. No vehicle over indicated weight. Awesome. It is the weight limit sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bus station. B. School bus stop ahead. Excellent. It is the school bus stop ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Curve left. B. Turn left. Good call. It is the curve left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. Well spotted. It is the divided highway end sign. This road sign is A. Speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit. Perfect. It is the speed limit ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Falling rocks. B. Slippery when wet ahead. Nice one. It is the falling rock sign. Guess this road sign. A. Bicycle route. B. Bike lane. Correct. It is the bike lane sign. This traffic sign is A. Speed limit ahead. B. School speed limit ahead. Well spotted. It is the school speed limit ahead. What is this road sign? A. No snowmobiles. B. No all-terrain vehicles. Excellent. It is the no snowmobile sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Correct. It is the curve right sign. Guess this road sign. A. No parking. B. No stopping. Nice work. It is the no parking sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Interstate route marker, 2 digits. B. US route marker, 2 digits. Good call. It is the US route marker, 2 digits sign. This road sign is A. Bicycle and pedestrians. B. Two-way bicycle lane crossing. Perfect. It is the bicycle and pedestrian sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bicycle crossing ahead. B. Bicycle route. Correct. It is the bicycle route sign. Guess this road sign. A. Snowmobile. B. Snowmobile trail. Nice one. It is the snowmobile sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Truck route sign. B. National network route. Awesome! It is the truck route sign. This road sign is A. Reverse turn left. B. Reverse curve left. Well spotted. It is the reverse curve left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Slow-moving vehicle. B. Emergency vehicle. Correct. It is the emergency vehicle sign. Guess this road sign. A. Narrow underpass. B. Tunnel. Great choice. It is the narrow underpass sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Trailer camping. B. Camping. Perfect. It is the camping sign. Identify this road sign. A. Hospital. B. First aid. Nicely done. It is the hospital sign. This traffic sign is A. Reverse turn right. B. Reverse curve right. Good call. It is the reverse curve right sign. Which road sign is this? A. Handicapped. B. Handicapped accessible. Correct. It is the handicapped sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Slow-moving vehicle. B. Farm vehicles. Well spotted. It is the farm vehicles sign. Guess this road sign. A. Telephone. B. Emergency telephone. Nice work. It is the telephone sign. That brings us to end of today's video. Make sure to subscribe now and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest DMV road signs videos and study materials. Click on the videos on your screen to keep clear. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video.